from tajmotormedics. Again, this is the second part for the Vauxhall Antara or an Opel Antara on 2013-2014 plate. The first one I did was a main dip bulb on this one. Now I'm doing a position lamp, which is also called side lamp or parking lamp. Some cars have daytime running lamps. So you can see that there is working, but on this side here it isn't working. So I'm going to show you how to replace it. Lights off first. Now, it is a very simple procedure again. Now I'm not going to show you everything because it's a lot of work. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to show you basic stuff for it. So we had, sorry, let me just get the grommets. I've had these clips right here. They did quite a lot, so me taking them all off, it would have taken a lot more time. I've used a really fine flat screwdriver, which kind of went in there and undone it. You can use a Phillips screwdriver, but you got to get the right one and then unscrew it, take it out. Now the holes for that, one's here, you can see there, 2, 3, 4, 5, the rest goes around, and the big ones, these ones here, they go on the side, so there's only 2 big ones. So I'm just going to put this somewhere safe. Now to remove it, it is a simple procedure. So if you get one side out and then pull the whole thing out. Now with regards to the light, is again a simple procedure. I've already undone them, as you can see right there. So you've got a 10 mil nut, 10 mil bolt. Now on the other side, the top bolts were longer, but on this one for some reason they're shorter. You can see they're all the same, so there is no confusion. So someone may have modified the 10 mil bolts on the driver's side. So put this to the side here. Then again, you pull the headlight out in an angle. Always remember this area here was stopping it, as you can see right there. So that's what's stopping the light. So if I show you right there, so that's what's stopping the light. So what I need to do is take it out like this. That's out. Always remember these little bits here as well, the clips. So when they go on the top, you got to make sure you don't break them. So if you did, then you need a new headlight. Just pull that back. So like in the other video, I've shown you how to, you can replace the main dip bulb full beam. We're replacing the position lamp at the moment. This has got a bit of a tight movement. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to unplug the bottom plug first, which is right at the bottom. So push in and out. So that's the clip right there. So you push this clip in and then pull it out together. And then with this one, I don't need to undo it because I'm only doing the position lamp on this one. So the position lamp again is that one there. So that's what we're replacing. So what I'm going to do is get my hand in there, wiggle, and then pull it out. So the bulb you need is a 501 bulb, a capless bulb. So that's what we're going to be replacing. Take this one out. So that's the old one. You get a new one. You slot it through. That's in. And then again slot it through that hole right inside. Then you push it in all the way. That's it. That's job done. Putting the cover back on. As you can see, this one here is building moist. Luckily, it's not gone into the headlight yet. Just going to see if the seal is broken or anything. I can't see it being broken. Maybe just old. I'll advise a customer to replace the seal if he can replace it. Otherwise, he needs a cap. So push that in. Now, doing the headlight main other bulbs. That's right there as well. So you would see in the first part, I'll show you how it's done. And then the indicator bulb is at the bottom, which is this bulb holder right there. So you twist that to your left, take it out. It's a 5A1 bulb, can be found in the description, the link for it, so do click on it. I'm just going to slot this back together now. This is a bit, basically the wires are a bit tight on this one on this side. That's it, in. And then you've got to remember this bit here as well. So that there slots in to that bit there. And now I have to slide the light in an angle to make sure it goes in nicely. That's it. That's in there now. I then line the hole up on the inside. Job done. Put the screws back together. And we're just going to quickly check the light, and then I'll put this back together. I'll only put one clip on so you can see how I've done it, and the rest I'm sure you can do it yourself. And if you have found this video useful, don't forget to like and share it where possible, and there is a special thanks button as well. Do click on that and donate whatever you want. Click, done. Done. So we're just going to check the light. As you can see now, that's working as well as that one there. Now I'm going to show you something. So that's the 4-beam, sorry, that's the main deadbolt, and I'm just going to put the 4-beam on. Now you can see the 4 beams come on as well. So all the lights are working on this side. Indicator left. Indicator left working. Indicator right's working as well. So put this cover on quickly. Just make sure I haven't forgotten. That's nipped up. That's nipped up. That's nipped up as well. To put the cover on, it's really simple. You slide one side in, and on the other side you push it in, and that's it, job done. I'm going to put the big one on first, which is this one here. So I squeeze the legs in, so this is a tricky part. That's how people get it wrong and then end up not going back together properly. So that's one done, and I'm going to show you now the small one. So how to put the small one back on as well. So squeeze the legs in. It's like a spider legs. Kind of fiddly, isn't it? Oh my days. It's so annoying. Let's get this other hole. That's it, that's it. I'm just going to try this one again, one more time. Here we go. That's all done. Right, that's all it was on this Vauxhall Antara 2013 model. If there is anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you and goodbye.